guys, Vern, jack of all trades here, master of none. Today we're going to do a video on properly hanging a toilet paper holder. So if you look at the bracket, the old way, which is above the silver bracket to the right, it was hanging horizontally, and it needed to be positioned vertically, as you can see it down below to the left. There was some wood behind the sheetrock in this case, so we were able to screw it right into the wood through the sheetrock. Then next we'll open up the small screw on the actual hanger, the toilet paper hanger, and we'll go ahead and do the final connection. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, let's mount this on now. We got to get the feel of it. And then you screw it in from the bottom. Now, if we continue to have problems with this, what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and put cork on the inside. Yeah, so if it loosens up, then we'll just go ahead and squeeze cork inside, and that'll act as a very strong bonding adhesive. So if we continue to have problems with this, we just go ahead and we'll put cork on the inside of the whole unit before we screw it in, and that'll be it. It won't come apart anymore. So that's it, guys. We're mounted on the wall. We're mounted on properly. I'll go over this with some joint compound and some tape. Then we'll repaint it. You'll never know it was there. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe so that I can keep putting videos out there. Until the next one, bye, guys.